5 days, 5 cooking mistakes. Grab a friend and join me for the free 5-day healthy cooking challenge. Hi friends, my name is Zeeshan and I am a holistic health coach helping you to rethink your food to live healthier and happier. I want to invite you to my free 5-day healthy cooking challenge focusing on 5 mistakes we tend to make in the kitchen. This challenge will help you to get cooking healthier, clean out your kitchens, and eat an anti-inflammatory diet. The challenge begins Monday, September 21st in my Facebook group. You'll find all the details and links down below. So make sure you click on the link, register as soon as possible, and download your free printable guide. You'll also find the link to join my Facebook group. That is of utmost importance because that's where all the action's gonna happen. So I look forward to having you to clean out those kitchens.